Kua Rongo. Kua Rongo was is originally a poi, which is from Waihirere, from Auntie Nan. I couldn't remember whether it was Uncle Bob and Auntie Nan who wrote it or whether it was Uncle Paul Kirekere, but there are members who are part of Te Waka Huia, and it was one of those tongas that was taught to Te Rautahi. So Te Rautahi learnt it through the years in the 80s. So that's one of our, I suppose, repertoire of Te Rautahi waiata that we sing.